Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. E-commerce Swift UI Insight. Today we need to see this here the remaining parts of the product detail screens we need to developing here. We need to today make this here the sliders, horizontal sliders as we need to put here, as well as need to put this here the like showing products we need to show here. Let's start how to write down inside the Swift UI. First of all, we need to put this here the bottom inside here the similar to this UI we need to develop here. Already home screen inside we need to put here. Now need to go inside find out here the home screens. Go here the to screen number 2 and we need to copy with these sections with the this scroll view, and we need to go and we need to paste this here product details, add to carts before. Need to check here the stack. Yes, here support dividers, and we need to put here. Need to like here the drawing here this UI here showing like this here, and then after need to draw here the sections. We need to go again here the homes and section row, and we need to copy line of this code. We need to paste here for this UI and remove here one this ones, and max labs need to cut here and paste to here. Set here the 12 items and remove here the on place, and we need to set here the titles as you can also like this. Next we need to put here and need to change here the 12 items, like here the counts of items like here showing here, and reloading this here for this UI, and we need to wait here the gets for this UI and show like here. Maybe we need to change this here the font size. We need to use this here the 18 semi bolts, use here S18 like, so need to put here, and also make sure this here the placeholder text colors. So need to use this here like here the placeholders. We need to set it here for this UI and show like here, and we need to increase this here the top height. So need to increase here, so need to set it here, so need to set here the top 15 like here, and check here the top space. So need to give one this here, and also maybe need to increase this here vertical 15 is good for this UI. Now reflecting this here and set at this here for this data. No, sorry, wrong for that. 15 and given here bottom 8. Now this is UI now displaying here the goods for this as per UI. And now need to make here the UI as a carousel. So need to use this here the third party libs. So need to import here the package of SwiftUI package. We need to put here. Now need to go here and we need to package inside. We need to find out here the sliders. Need to this one is the normal sliders. So need to use here the image sliders. Need to already find out here. This sliders need to use here. This is the carousels. A carousels UI need to use here, and look like this here the simple codes. Need to import this package. Now need to copy this one line and we need to use here line of codes, and look like this here the showing and modify here the parameters. We need to set it here now, and we need to click on add and apply here the URLs and get this here add package and fetching this package, and we need to select this here the our application target e-commerce and add this package like here, and now we need to go inside here these screens, and we need to make like this here the UI. We need to line up codes. We need to copy here the list out with here this Shift codes examples need to put here. Now look like here the needs here need to copy for this data, and need to go here the import first of all this package, import Ecommerce, and we need to replace with here the image with this frame, like here need to cut here, and we need to set this here the items. We need to check here actives. We need to put here I 0 to maybe directly give this here the 5 is good for this UI. Maybe is references is scrolls. We need to check the acro results data recommendation access header space, set here the space, id dot cell. Maybe this one is not. Maybe you need to give this here the name, image name state where image array, set here, and we need to set here the names, image names. We need to go assets, and we need to any image we need to put here. For the temporary, we need to set here one. Here set here 1, 2, 3. Need to check availables. 3 image, yes, availables. Need to put here the image array, and we need to set here the image array like here's, and we need to set here the items, image items dot ui dot name, set here the item like here. %, we need to applying here, as well as we need to set here the carousels for strings or not identifiables. Maybe we need to set here the map. Image and returns. Maybe we need to make here the structures is good identifiables. Need to set here items, limited to the items. item dot image like yes. Resizables corner radius need to set here the 0. No needs. Now need to clean and show like this here this UI. Set here the 0. Maybe auto scrolls need to wrap here through auto scroll. Remove this one. And manually change these years. If you increase years 400, you can set here the 400 and show like this here the big one. And also need to set here the padding. Need to set here the padding verticals 8 is good now. Now showing here the good for this UI and look like this here the showing. Now this is sliders. We need to put it here the done. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down inside the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.